Alright, we all know why we play this game. Come on. Look at this. Look at these guys. Alright, I'm not gonna start this way. Yeah, so I've been playing this game for a little bit now, maybe about 3 weeks, and because I'm a nerd, decided to do some math. Yeah, so y'all have probably been wondering, how do I get the most out of these bitches? The subordinates are like the backbone of your production. They provide like 80% of all of your military, negotiation, all those colorful skills. They provide like 80% of that for you. Now, unfortunately, the cost of experience does not stay static. It is a pretty steep exponential climb. So this graph shows basically from 0 to about 250. I haven't only been playing for a little bit, so I don't know past that. But it shows that at around the 200 mark, you get this massive breakpoint. And it's this breakpoint at level 200 that led me to create 2 separate graphs. What we really want to take away from these graphs is how quickly the gem costs start to stack up. There's actually a 6-fold increase between 200 and 250. Comparing that to the 101 to 151 tier, which is still a pretty steep increase, we're only seeing about a 3-fold increase. And that's going to make a really big difference when we come to making decisions later on. Now, how much experience it costs to level up is only one side of the equation. To tie everything together, we want to look at how much influence we're gaining by clicking that level up button. This is going to be affected by factors like your talent and your blessing bonus. So here is my prized formula. This formula is about 99% accurate. I think I was getting errors of 0.2% when I was testing this out in practice. And this will tell you exactly how much influence you are going to gain. It's a pretty simple equation, and you can just stick this in an Excel sheet and plug and chug for all your different characters to know exactly how much influence they're going to gain. And here's a quick visualization of what that equation demonstrates. So what we can see is that our production will increase at a linear rate per talent level. What the talent level will do is increase the slope of each line. And now finally we get to the marginal production by talent level. This is essentially what everyone is watching this video for. This tells you what is a good decision and what is a bad decision for each subordinate. Let's take an example. If I have a character who is 100 talent and level 100, they will have 3.85 efficiency. Let's compare that to a character who's leveled up a little bit more. Let's say at level 200. There's actually no examples where you can achieve the exact same efficiency without going to incredibly high talent levels. For example, it's actually off the charts. You can't even see it. You have to have 300 talent to even get close to that level of efficiency. So what does that tell us? This tells us that we need to diversify our subordinates. We want to diversify our talent, and we don't want to push into this deep red zone, the 200 plus subordinate level zone, until we've gotten most of our characters to that level. It also tells us that you want to diversify your talent, because talent also has a tapering effect. This is due to the fact that experience becomes leveling becomes more and more difficult to achieve as you level up, and it's an exponential rate. Overall, there's a lot more work to be done for these types of graphs, and I'm hoping to extend this graph further in both the X and the Y direction to give you guys better examples of how things scale. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you all for watching, and feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or recommendations for content regarding Isekai Demon Waifu.